Okay.
Hi, my name is Clement from ERA, and I'm now at the show flat for Sora, an upcoming exciting development at the Jurong Lake District, right beside Jurong Lake Garden. Now, at one glance at the model, you can see it's really very impressive. There's very rich green architecture with not one but two 360 sky terrace overlooking the Jurong Lake Garden and full condo facilities in the entire condo. Definitely you don't want to miss this out. Okay, behind me, this is the Jurong Lake Garden view that I'm talking about. Absolutely breathtaking. This is what you will see from the development, and it's definitely something you need to come and check out. Okay, I've taken a look at the bedrooms. They are very efficient and functional for quality living. So I'm very excited to see you on the upcoming preview on the 22nd of June. See you there, you won't regret.